Welcome to Lynch Ford of Mukwonago, where we have an incredible vehicle for sale, the 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited in Predawn Gray Mica. This SUV is packed with features that will make every drive a pleasure. Let's start with the safety features. The Highlander Limited comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and emergency brake assist, ensuring a safe and secure journey. The blind spot monitor will keep you aware of your surroundings, while the rear view camera provides added convenience when parking. Inside, you'll find luxurious leather seats and an automatic climate control system, ensuring maximum comfort for you and your passengers. The Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stay connected on the go, while the navigation system ensures you never lose your way. This Highlander Limited also boasts a third rear seat, perfect for accommodating extra passengers or additional cargo. And with its four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive capability, you can confidently tackle any road conditions. Don't miss out on this Visit Lynch Ford of Mukwonago in Mukwonago, Wisconsin, and take the 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited for a test drive today.